Tashidle, after the April 2015 earthquake, we suffered a lot because of our homes were destroyed and trying to rebuild our homes and lives were difficult. Most of our homes are now rebuilt. We have even managed to reconstruct some of the damaged community infrastructures. And today, we are gathered here to celebrate the great Bajaguru festival. On this great occasion, I'm also pleased to announce completion of a project that will end suffering and bring happiness to the monks of the Thame Gonpa. The reconstructions of the earthquake-damaged monks' hostel is now complete. The new building has just been blessed by the Venerable Rinpoches and Lamas. The funding for the construction was raised by the Thame Sherpa Heritage Fund. This was initiated by a group of people connected to Thame Valley and their friends. As chair of the organization, I wish to thank all the board members and advisors for their contributions. I would like to thank all the donors, particularly the American Himalayan Foundation. I would also like to thank Mountain Spirit, our collaborating organization in Nepal, who took the responsibility of securing necessary government approvals and managing the construction work in the field. During the design phase, we have consulted local people and a number of foreign and Nepali engineers and architects. I wish to thank all the local and international experts for their advice. Among the many post-earthquake reconstruction work in Nepal, this project probably ranks one of the most challenging, given the high altitude, remoteness, and lack of road access. The construction work took 15 months to complete, and the cost to date is nearly $180,000. This hostel is built using mostly local materials. It is strong, warm, and earthquake resistant. The internal walls are reinforced by timber frames, and external walls are covered with metal wire nettings. It is fully insulated. The rock walls are strengthened by integrating wooden battens and packed with soil and lime mortars. Now, we will go through the process of signing the handover documents and presenting the symbolic building key to the newly enthroned Thame Tulku.
धन्यवाद सम्पूर्ण प्रतिनिधिज्यूहरूलाई यति जोरदार ताली बजाउनु।
This will be followed by a presentation of a Sherpa dance, which will conclude the handover program.
Siddhi